Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off vibration on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you want to turn off vibrations, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your settings app, and here just go to sounds and vibration option, and here you must have to select sound or mute option instead of vibrate. Once you have selected, now you have disabled the vibrations, or if you want to disable or turn off further vibrations, you must have to scroll down, and here you'll get system vibration option. Just tap on it, and here you'll get different vibrations. Here's the touch interaction, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, chatting, navigation gestures. So you must have to disable them all to disable every type of vibration on your Android phone. So in this way you can easily turn off vibrations on your Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.